Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. So, do you guys notice anything different about me? Ooh, I know! You're not wearing PJs for once. Yeah, I am a little bit more dressed up than usual. And by the way, this dress is from Loft. I love Loft. If you guys ever want to see me do a haul on the things I buy from there, let me know. That could be a future topic I cover. But anyways, besides the point, that's not what's different about me. I mean, I am dressed up and I'll get into that a little bit later. Why? No, my makeup is different today. Today, I'm doing a reverse cat eye, which is this viral trend going around on TikTok. So before you guys come at me,
Round 1, fight!
And tell me that the upper eyelid should be a more neutral base, etc., etc. Just so you know, I tried and it really didn't look right with my monolids. I think, as I mentioned before, a lot of these looks, I have to find a happy medium and adapt them to my monolided eyes. So I did do a bit of eyeshadow contouring on top so that I created an illusion of depth so that it wasn't completely imbalanced. But yeah, so today I did a reverse cat eye. Wait, hold up. Didn't you say you were going on a date? All right, fine. I'll get into that. So yeah, I'm a little bit dressed up because
I have a date.
Well, who's a lucky guy? I don't know if I want to get into the details of who it is. Show us a pic. Show us a pic. We want a pic. Alright, fine. It's this guy I met online and yeah, he's pretty cute. Super cute. Aww. And I feel like we just have such a great connection. Alright, who's going to tell her? That's a picture of Zac Efron. That guy's not real. He's scamming you. Wait, what? I've been catfished? Whoa, we had a connection. We've been talking for 2 weeks. Ugh. What is with modern romance these days? It's got me feeling like I'm mad at Disney, they tricked me, had me wishing on a shooting star. But now I'm 20-something, I still know nothing about who I am or what I'm not. So call me a pessimist, but I don't believe in it. Finding a true love's kiss is bullshit. I feel sad love, I feel bad love. Sometimes happy love turns into giving up. I feel hurt love by the word love. What the hell is love supposed to feel like? What the hell is love? What the hell is love? What the hell is love supposed to feel like? Okay, hope you guys enjoyed the rendition of that song. If you guys want to ever hear me or talk about my online dating experiences, let me know, and that could also be a future topic that I cover. But anyways, if you guys want to see how I adapted the reverse cat eye for my monolided eyes and how you can do the same, then stay tuned and watch the tutorial. So the first step you want to do is go ahead and prep and prime your face, which I have already done so. And the next step I'm going to take is I'm going to prime my eyes using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. And then today I'm going to be using my Too Faced White Chocolate Bar palette. I want to first apply a base shade of cake batter all over the lid. that on the outer edges because I want to create a bit of like a fake cut crease type look, and I found that this is the best way to really adapt this look for monolids without looking extremely imbalanced. And now I'm going to go ahead and take a highlighting shade, so Pearl Candy, and I'm just going to highlight the rest of the lid with that. As well as the inner corners to really open up the eyes and the brow bone. Of course, it's important to go back in and just blend it out as well. So now the hard part, or not necessarily hard part, but the part where the main focus of this look is on, which is creating that reverse cat eye. So I'm going to go in with black sugar, and I'm going to first start with an angled brush and just start following the natural trajectory of my eye to create a good outline. And then after I think I'm in a good place, I'm going to start really smoking out the bottom because that's the main focus. Go ahead and just connect the top as well to the wings so that you have a connected look. After you reach a pretty good place with having a precise line, now I'm going to switch over to another brush and I'm just going to really smoke out the bottom. So kind of go ham on the bottom because you want there to be a pretty visible difference between the bottom and your top. Looks about good, and it might look really imbalanced right now, but I think kind of smoking out the outer edges helps, at least for my monolids, so that I still have some sort of depth. So just because today I feel like I kind of like compromised the depth and intensity of the upper eyelid by not having eyeliner, I'm going to go in with a heavier or more dramatic set of lashes. So today I'm actually going to be using my Ardell Wispies. And I'm actually just going to trace over the wing with a liquid eyeliner for some added precision. Show some lower lash love. I don't know if it's going to make much difference just because how dark the lower lash line is currently, but I'm going to go in with my Lancome Monsieur Big Waterproof and just apply some mascara. I'm going to go ahead and dust on some blush using my Too Faced Sweetheart Perfect Flush Blush, and then I'm going to go ahead and dust on some highlighter using the Too Faced Diamond Light Highlighter. And then just to be a little bit extra again, I'm going to go in with Too Faced Chocolate Gold Palette, and I'm going to apply Drippin' Diamond, and I'm just going to layer that on top of the highlighter because this palette is actually super glittery and pigmented. So if you guys are in the market for something with the upcoming holidays that are really going to add some sparkle to your makeup, I highly recommend that palette. Okay, now for the finishing touch, I'm going to again use Lancome Les Absolute Rouge and Rose Amnesia just because I feel like the eyes are very heavy, and again, I don't like creating super overwhelming looks by pairing a super bold lip, so I'm just going to use this bronze shade. So there you have it. This is the finished look. I think it is a fun, unique twist on the smoky eye that you're used to, and it adds this unique dimension into a smoky eye. So yeah, I think it's great if you want to be experimental and do a fun new look if you're going out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and stay tuned for more content from me. Thanks for watching. Bye.